Essential to the Arduino IoT world is the Arduino Cloud platform, which is where you'll create dashboards and deploy code to your Arduino plug-and-make kit. In this video, I'll share with you how to get started with Arduino Cloud. To get the most out of your Arduino plug-and-make, you will need an account with Arduino and access to the Arduino Cloud. Once you're signed in to the Arduino website, you can then access all of the pre-prepared content for your students. Here on the Arduino Plug and Make Kit homepage, the Getting Started guide will show you how to open up the package and explore what's inside. It will also explain to you how to set up your computer. And a little further down, you'll find a range of projects that you can work on yourself or assign to your students to work autonomously on. If you have Arduino Cloud already installed, but you haven't connected your device yet, you'll need to provision the board here. This is done simply by connecting the USB-C cable and then clicking on the link here, and that will set up your device. Once you've done that, you can then begin setting up your first project. I'm going to set up my first two projects using the supplied chassis. It is not necessary to use this chassis. I do recommend it, however, because managing all of the modulinos separately is a little bit of a handful.